Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this effect doesn't work with this device on TikTok. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your TikTok app and
हाँ
type on
डेरा
profile.
कर
After that, type on three lines and type on setting and privacy. Scroll down and type on report a problem. After that, type on video and sounds and type on beauty, filter and effect and type on this effect doesn't work with this device. You as can see show this option, type on no and type on need more help and after that type your problem. Hello dear TikTok team, I want to use effect on my video but this showing an error. This effect doesn't work with this device, so please fix my problem as soon as possible. Thanks. After that, tap on submit. After 24 hours, TikTok team fix your problem. I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.